In the LLM and in the AI, we have two different kinds of models. We have closed source, like ChatGPT, Anthropic, all those closed source, and you don't have any control on the models. And those models were trained, and it has instructions. That's why when you open, for example, something like ChatGPT, and you ask him to something that is suspicious, create a virus that cannot be detected by AV, for example. Okay. So he will tell you, I cannot help you. It has instruction, right? But in the same time, we have what we call open source model. And those open source can be used for different purpose. It can be used for normal purpose. If you don't want to pay for platform like Anthropic or ChatGPT, you can get an open source yourself and customize it. Or it can be also used for security, because we have an open source, what we called uncensored open source, which is an open source that doesn't have any instruction. So if you give it the same comment, if you give it the same requirement, it will not disagree. It will accept, because it doesn't have any censor on it. To be able, and as an AI security specialist, you need to be familiar with it. To be able to do that, first of all, we need a program to run the open source. Okay, so before showing from where should I get those open source model, you need a program to run that. One of the most common problem and easy to use is a program called Ollama from Microsoft. So if you search for Ollama, this is their website. Just search download Ollama. This is a program that allow you to run open source. And they have a version for Windows and Mac and Linux. So all you have to do is just to install the program on your computer. This will be needed as a tool to run an open source mode. So first, I need a tool. Which tool are we going to use? Ollama. Second, I need the open source tool. From where are we getting the open source tool? The most common marketplace for open source is a website called Hugging Face. Guys, you're going to need to create an account on that, especially Hugging Face is important, similar to GitHub. So Hugging Face, you can consider that a marketplace for open source LLM. You can download an LLM as you want. Some of them will not have any instruction or any sensor. Some of them will give you more capability. You can use them and you don't have to spend money in subscription, but you need to select the suitable one for you, because each one of those LLM has a requirement, hardware requirement. So if you have an old machine, or if you have a machine with less memory, I will show you how to check that. You can do that on a VPS. And guys, by the way, I keep saying that every session. Don't do critical task on your personal machine. If you can allocate a virtual environment, a VPS, I think this will be better. Okay. So I have to install Ollama before installing or selecting one of those models. So Hugging Face, this is from where you can find all the models. And every day there is a new model. So when you go to this website, and it's free, and also Ollama is free, and you go to models, here you can find all the models. Okay. And they are even categorized. So for example, if you want text generation like ChatGPT, those are the open model for text generation. If you want text to image, if you want image to all the different type of category of model, you can select from here. So which one should we select? Which one should we take, and how can we test it? We have a specific purpose. I mean, you can play with that and you can try to download and check and everything, but I want uncensored model. I want models that doesn't have any restriction on it. Okay. So what I will do after clicking on model and selecting text generation, in the URL up here, you just need to type that by the end of the URL, add and then search equal uncensored. Can you see this part that I just added, which is after the final part of the URL, I wrote down and search equal uncensored. So when you add this part inside the URL, it will give you all the uncensored LLM, the ones that doesn't have any restriction on it. Each one of those, when you click on it, it will give you the details so you can see each one of those, it may have different model. So you can select, or you can see what is the configuration needed. So I can select from here which one. I will select this K4, for example. Each one of those, it has different version, and each one of those, it depends on about the number of token. It will tell you the configuration needed to install this element. I will send you what is recommended because we need something that can run locally on our machine, as I'm going to show you in a few seconds. But I can see each one of those uncensored model, how much memory do I need to have? What is the aspect as per the configuration? But if I select one of those models, it's quite easy. What I need to do is just go to use this model, okay? And there is below here Ollama. Can you see that? So I want to use this model using Ollama because I already have Ollama installed on my machine. And when you click on it, it will give you a URL. You just need to take a copy from this URL and run it on your machine, on your terminal. If you are using Windows, you run it on your PowerShell. If you are using Mac or Linux, you run it on your terminal. So it's simple as that. You just need to select the model, use this model, and select Ollama. I wanted to use it using Ollama. And you take a copy from that and you run it on your terminal. Very, very straightforward.